All right, bam. I think I'm live on YouTube now. You gotta have your multiple phones. You gotta check your other phone. I have my other phone. Let me check it out. And YouTube is like, to me, the most instrumental part. So y'all can actually, you know, people that's learning can actually see the charts. Because how I learned a lot was watching people mark up charts on YouTube live, but they don't do it no more. So that's why I'm here today. Okay, he is live. All right, I'm looking at myself on the screen. Alrighty. Let's fucking go. Let me tweet the link out and everything. What pairs y'all trying to look at today? Y'all trying to look at the indices? Nice.
Are you what you got the video on?
I'm about to post the link in the chat right now.
Okay, bad.
Damn, I really should be on Clubhouse with my other phone. Let me switch phones on Clubhouse. Clubhouse. Alright. Yo, y'all can hear me? Hello? Yo. Oh shit. Yo, y'all can hear me? Yeah, now y'all can hear me. Okay. All right. Post these links for y'all.
Mixing the portion, selling the portion, flipping the money. I am a hustler, call me a hooligan. I got the tooling. I am a winner, you will not win me if we
Hey man, I fuck with that job, man.
Oh man, thank you, appreciate it, man.
Man, I fuck with that shit, man. I fuck with that.
I was just trying to have a little fun.
It's crazy, cause you know I'm probably one of the oldest cats in the group besides my boy Bill. Back when I was in high school, we got used for it. There's a fucking name for it.
Word, it's been around a long time.
You know what I'm saying? Especially for like black folks. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. It's like innovators on that shit.
People don't know that though. We innovated rock and roll and all that. Yeah, we did all that shit. So for you, we did all of that. So for those of you guys that don't know, I'm live on YouTube, so I'm about to mark up the charts. I'm here on Clubhouse so I can hear you guys audio-wise, but I'm live on YouTube so you can actually see the charts that I'm marking up on TradingView or whatever, however y'all want to do it.
I'm on TradingView.
Okay.
Whatever. However y'all want to do it.
Well, it's a little delay on my trade. Okay, turn that down. All right. Now we in the game, man.
Okay. I'm gonna go to the video.
All right.
Now we in the game, man.
Oh, man. Okay, there we go. All right, guys. Let's get it, man. Music King, man. I'm live here, man. Super Bowl Sunday, man. Trying to mark up some charts real quick so I could dart off to the Super Bowl and, you know, put these trades in on my phone. But let's just look at the market. From what I know about the market right now, the market is, for indices, is very overbought. Let's go ahead and look at SPX 500. So, yeah, you can also type in YouTube chat. You can sign in through the Clubhouse. Let me throw up a tweet real quick while we pull up SPX 500. So this week, guys, the market bought up a whole grip. Like all-time highs was met. It was crazy. We saw a lot of bullish momentum. I guess this is some old markup I did. So for you guys in the audience, if you don't know, you can click on my thing here on Clubhouse. You can go to my Twitter and it'll give you the link to the YouTube. So let's see what the hell happened with motherfucking wow. So yeah, damn near all my TPs hit from last week's markup. You know, I said buy around 3,700 or something, whatever, and it went from 3,700 to damn near 3,900. All my TPs hit except for TP6, which is my final TP. So it's probably inches away from TP6 hitting, but that was last week, guys. We all about this week, so I'm about to take all of that off. That part, boom. Okay. Oops. Delete that. So I'll go back. Trading View is like a fun thing to do, guys. Like, I'd rather be on Trading View than to play a video game, because Trading View actually has the ability to make me some money, possibly, right? Even though video games are cool, I fuck with them, but this is that money though. All right, so oops, I got my arrows going here everywhere. So let me go back here. I encourage you all to get on Trading View. I'm looking at it from the daily perspective right now. And on the daily, it just looks bullish overall still. But we had an all-time high. So anytime you at an all-time high, you're going to see some rejection. Now, very well, this thing could keep going up, but I'm just going to say sell now. Now, it being Super Bowl, I really think the market is going to buy up even more today and probably Monday. Also, like if you pay attention to the news, they getting those coronavirus vaccine shots out everywhere. Walgreens is going to be distributing the Moderna vaccine shot, I believe. So, you know, and they say there's a Walgreens within 5 miles of 80% of the U.S. population. So let's go in a little bit to the closer time frames. Doing the daily. Let's look at the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, if I'm selling, I like that sign. I see a little red candle forming at 38.91. Let's go a little deeper into the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, I don't see too much candles like that, buddy. I just see like bull action. And you see as I kind of like zoom in using my arrows, you can see more of the chart. So look, you had on, it's dates right here. So February 4th, price was around 38.30. And now price is at 38.91. That's a dramatic increase. Where could I see price dropping back down to? I could see price dropping back down to here to around 38.70. So, but very well, you got to kind of watch the market and then just see what happens. Like very well, the market is probably going to just keep buying up because of Super Bowl Sunday. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna say use caution and wait for it. But you're at an all-time high right now. The all-time high is pretty much where we're at 38.94. We're only like a few pips away from the all-time high. So anytime there's an all-time high, I will always say look to sell. Right? So if I want to look to sell, I could look to bring SPX back down to at least 38.80. If it don't even, it probably might open up at 38.80. But from current market price here, let me see where I could put some points in here. Horizontal line. 38.80. Yeah, guys, like don't get confused. This Forex stuff really ain't that hard, really, to tell you the truth. It's all about just like looking at the market. So I'm just going to bring my chart down. I'm going to click it here. Oops. The hardest part is just learning how to use the buttons, like working your remote. All right, so I see it coming down to 38.80. Oops, I just deleted the whole shit. There it is. So I'm going to go here. My price is 38.80. I like that color. TP1, 38.80. I'm just gonna put TP because I might put other TPs in there. TP 38.80. Okay. And I'm gonna change my font down and bring my font down a little bit to there. So my first target is 38.80. Really, I want to say 38.85, but that's super close. It's 39. It said 38.91 to 38.80. What was that, like 100 pips or something like that? I don't know. It's about 10 points though. So, but like I said, I feel like prices are gonna keep rising right now. So I can't tell you exact entry point because the market ain't open. And just, you know what I'm saying, like the market not being open, we don't know where prices gonna open up at. And because of Super Bowl Sunday, they got vaccines out, I think the market's gonna push up actually even more. So what you want to do is when you see the market pushing up high and you have a lot of leverage, probably just click sell and enter your sell. Actually, I actually put too many digits here on my 38.80. Right? So then when it pulls past 38.80, immediately I see these candlesticks right here forming around 38.70. So that's going to be my next point, 38.70. That will be my next take profit. And remember, this is all differential because you don't know where price is going to open up yet right now when the market opens. But I see SPX selling to these points. And look at all this big green candles right here. You have all this area where SPX has went from about 38.40 all the way to 38.70 with no pullback. Like nothing, nothing, guys. So when I go back around February 3rd, I see prices at around 38.50. And I see this candle wicking here. So my next TP will be there. And that's really it. I don't really see price selling down too much more, to be honest with you. Yeah, see how it wicks this candle right here? It kind of wicking that candle. Pretty much when you're looking at the chart, that's what you want to look for. You want to look for the areas where it comes down at. And you kind of got to just use your common sense. So there you go. I'll say 38.52 to make it feel comfortable. Oops. Damn. I deleted it again. So here we go. Put my coordinates in to make the graph, make the plot, make it go exactly on the price I want it to hit. 38.52 TP 38.52, and that's where we're going with that for XBX. Basically, I see XBX coming down. Let me see, can I get an arrow in here somewhere? All right, yeah. Basically, I see XBX is coming down, and it could come all the way back down here to 38.21 at some point. I'm gonna make this thing red, so I see it selling. SPX bear pressure. Don't that look cool right there on my little screen, y'all? What's up, peoples in the chat? It's only a few of us in here, but we in here. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. 38.20, it could drop that low. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on there. Fuck it. Y'all see me pointing it out, but I just like to look back at my charts when it do hit that price. Like, yeah, I knew it was gonna hit that low. I'm gonna say right here though, about 38.30, where all these candles is wicking at right there. That look like it could hit price right down around there. So we'll say like 38.32 or something. Because you always want your TPs to hit. You don't want to set a TP too low and it don't hit, and it came close and it didn't hit. That's like one of the worst feelings ever in the game. Shit, I want to push my price up a little bit, but that's cool. Y'all get the idea. If it goes between those two P's, whatever. You feel me? So overall, I feel SPX is at a all-time high. Price should come down eventually. I think price could come down today because it's so overbought. Price could come down tomorrow, or it could be Wednesday, but price probably will come down. But I'm just like, shit, I don't see price coming down that much or a lot just because it's Super Bowl. This is how the calendar, but the price gotta come down some. This is too much bullish momentum. Who gonna keep buying it at this high price? But the market is bullish because they do have more vaccines on the market right now. They do got vaccines all around, so that's gonna push everything up. You know what I'm saying? So price should reject. Yo, what's good, Vic?
What's good, dog?
Yeah. So yeah, I'm looking at this SPX is way too overbought. Again, I'm not an expert, but that shit is way too high, man. All the indices price should reject.
Fuck, bro, let's hope this shit drops so I can fucking buy it again,
That's exactly what I'm looking for. You feel me? But I'm just scared. I'm scared about it dropping, bro, because the Super Bowl Sunday, and that pushes price up. And this shit, like, they got all these vaccines on the market right now. When I was just like listening to the news before I got on here, so that's what's gonna try to push price up. But it's like, shit, price is so fucking high. All right, so
yeah, dude. I don't know, bro. You fucking that buy you pulled out last week, bro. That shit was lit. I was like, fuck, man. That shit was just held that bitch. I don't know. I was burnt.
I mean, if it dropped back down like that at low again, we already know where price is gonna go back. You feel me?
Yeah.
If we get lucky and see a drop like that, you know what I'm saying?
Well, bro, fucking Nas has been in a uptrend since like fucking years back, huh? Like 16 years, 10 years.
Yeah, I think so. Like it's like an yeah, it's like it's always on the uptrend. You feel me? All right, guys. Oh, so basically, I'm still working the same markup from last week on Nas. As you see, I got it marked up already. You feel me? And I used this shit like 2 weeks in a row or whatever, and it actually hit like a lot of these TPs at the bottom and shit. You know what I'm saying? So right now, look how fucking high price is though. Price went way up here to 36.40 something, and we just had to reject. Right now, price is still at 13,600 around there, ballpark or some shit. So that's high as fuck though. Let's go look at this shit like on some deeper time frames. Oh, so I like what I see on a 4 hour if you're a seller, because it's a big ass like red candle starting to form. I don't know all the names of the candlesticks like some people do, but I just know if that shit hella red, then yeah, let's see, who's this? Never Done says stocks only go up long term anyway. Yep, that's true. Yeah, I mean, eventually it should retest, guys, but like this is a new president, it's like a new market, all that. And like I said, the price is super high right now, so the retest could not come right now because it's Super Bowl Sunday. You got to think about like the calendar of events, shit like that. Super Bowl Sunday is going to make this shit go a little bit higher, unless when this shit opens up, it opens up at a low price, or it opens up and just rejects down. Like, we really got to look at price where it opened up when the market opens. You feel me? So 4 hour, I like what I see on the 4 hours with that big ass red candle showing rejection, and it look like it want to form another one. Because if we go back on the 4 hour, shit, I'm typing this shit. I don't want to type in. If we go back on the 4 hour, we see it form another kind of candle like that. It always forms a smaller red candle before it forms a big red candle. If you're looking at this chart with me right now, like y'all see this on the 4 hour, how that red candle formed. Then go back and look the last time it sold down, when it sold down to 13.4. It went from 13.560 to 13.4. So then here we go when we have this big sell-off where this shit really hit a lot of TPs. This shit hit my TP4 and went below there. But it started off with a red candle, and this time the sell-off could be even bigger, right? Because price is even higher, and we still have no stimulus. See, what worries me is like, all right, we got all this shit going on. We got all this, you know what I'm saying? Like coronavirus, we're supposed to have a stimulus, all that, but they do not have a stimulus yet.
Yeah, that's true. I think he gonna push it through then, but
Of course, we know the stimulus is gonna come eventually, but imagine how far all the indexes is gonna buy up when the stimulus do actually get signed and that 1,400 on the way people accounts. It's gonna go crazy. So I'm hoping for some type of rejection right here. Just because like price is high as shit. I'm not gonna enter at this high ass price on the buy. I just gotta watch it right now. I can't buy it. It's too high. Do I want to sell it? I'm already in a sale, I think. I'm already probably holding a sale. I'm pretty sure like this is what I could bank on almost for sure. At price at 13.6, man. Price got to come back in this zone a little bit. Price got to drop to 13.4 because it's too many candles in there that's in the chart. Like it's got to come back, and it probably want to come back to below 13.3 because you see all the candles is in this zone right here. Like it's gonna want to revisit. Then look if we go back, it's a lot of areas with no candles forming in there. You feel what I'm saying? Like this is an area with no candles form, so price probably want to come back here. I've seen some other traders charts, like when they MetaTrader 4, and they got Nas coming back down to around 13.2 or 13.1, and I can see that happening. You feel me? Like that's around.
that'd be a nice sale. How many pips is that on the sale down there? If you go back to there.
If it go to 13.1 from 13.6, that's like 5,000 pips.
Okay.
But we don't know if price gonna open up at higher, lower. I mean, I suspect whatever price open up today, it's gonna sell down some just because the market was too high. I think last week that would happen, and the week before last, I'm pretty sure that might be what happened. Let me look at it on the daily before I go to something else. And it's cool when you mark shit up and you come back to your markup and your markup is still valid sometimes. That's legit.
Yeah. I do that a lot of times. I'll at least keep it there so I can go back to it.
Right. I don't even know how to. I wish I knew how to save my markups. I'm gonna figure out how to save them, how I can look at the dates and come back. Like I just know once I delete it, that shit gone. So yeah, my stop losses is here, but I'm looking at Nas this week. It could go 13.8, 1,400, 14.2 easy. You know what I'm saying? Like this TP already hit, so this stop loss not even valid no more. Really, like this shit could easily like fucking go to it could easily go to 13.8 at 13.6. Like more than likely, if we don't see a massive rejection soon, Nas gonna hit 13.8 this week. But like I say, at current price around 13.6 or 13.5, I just can't buy Nas myself personally. Price got to come back down to around 13.3 or below for me to even consider buying it. And if it comes down that low, I'm gonna look and see why is price that low. Maybe I shouldn't buy it. You know what I'm saying?
Might go lower.
Right. I'm gonna look for it. Oh, because last week Nas opened up around like 12.8ish. To even dip down to the 12.7s on Sunday. You know what I'm saying? So if I could catch another buy there and ride it up to 13.6 again, then I'm cool. I know 13.6 is my exit point. If I could catch a sell, if it sells down, I go enter to another buy. 13.6 is probably my final TP. Why? I know Nas is constantly smacking 13.6. It love to smack past 13.5. You set your TP at 13.5 on a buy, it love to smack right past 13.5 all the time. So that's cool. Let's go look at US 30 real quick.
30. What up, Vic?
All right. So the TPs I marked by the time I last marked up US 30, as you can see, all the TPs hit. Every TP hit, even TP5. Shit, they all hit.
Yo, what's good, Charlie?
What's going on?
So on the daily, we got bullish candles on US 30. US 30, I think like shit, it'll probably go up today or something, or all the indices gonna travel together, but I think a lot of US 30 stocks is like linked to the Super Bowl. You know what I'm saying? Like Pepsi and Cola and all those type of people, they with the Super Bowl heavy. So I like what I see on the 30 of US 30. I see a little small baby red candle trying to form. Yeah, just with all the indexes, man. Price is too high. Like well, all the American indexes right now. Prices is way too high. I can't buy it at these prices right here. Like who in their right mind would enter a buy when it's at the top? Like who does that? Not me. At least from what I learned from more experienced traders than me, is just don't buy at the top. And every time I did, this couldn't contain myself and bought at the top or sold at the bottom. Like you never when you trade in Forex on your screen, on your MetaTrader Forex screen, it's gonna show you the high of the day and the low of the day for that pair, and it's really showing you the high and low for that session. If price is near the high of the day, then don't buy. If price is near the low of the day, then don't sell. No matter what, even if you see a lot of red candles forming, if and it's still overbought overall, if you see the price nearing the low of the day, then don't click that sell button. Just wait for something to happen. Wait for it to break a lot. Because, you know, what I noticed about Forex trading, the more patient you are, the more profitable you are. Because you can just wait for better setups, you know. Never feel pressed that you gotta like really press the button. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times when I press the button too fast, I regretted it. So that's another reason why I use small lot sizes and I do multiple accounts. So if I get into a sell or a buy too early or whatever, say I started selling Nas because I seen price shooting up and I sold at 13.5. I'm like, fuck, man, price at 13.6 now. Well, I use a small lot, so I'm not tripping. It going up more is not going to hurt me or hurt my account, and I'll just go to one of my other accounts I got. And if it's at 13.6 and I still believe it's selling pressure, I'll sell there. And this is two different entry points on two different accounts, so my free margin is good. So for me, having multiple Forex accounts on my phone is a good way I keep from over leveraging and shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't gotta over leverage. I can just watch it. But if y'all want to make money, and that should be bugging us. But let's look at where I see US 30 coming down to, because US 30 gotta sell as well. I'm looking at it on the 30-minute. Let's look at the 15 real quick. Oh yeah, the 15. I like how the 15 look. It look real celery. But I'm gonna mark up on the 30.
But I'm trying to run a bag this week, bro. That's all I'm worried about. Patience, man.
Yep, I gotta be patient and let this market sell down to really run my bag up. You feel me? Because I don't. This how the chain of events is right now. It don't seem like it's gonna sell today. I mean, I hope it sell on market open, but it's the Super Bowl. That's like fucking Christmas for stocks or something. You know what I'm saying? Robinhood and everybody gonna be advertising. So, you know, a lot of people buying food, spending money, going to go kick it with their homies, with their friends, with their family to watch this game.
Buying liquor.
Buying liquor, buying gas for transportation.
Hey, they hitting the dispensaries up.
That part, it's money flowing off of this. You know what I'm saying?
Not to mention them commercials.
Commercials. That's a lot of money moving right there.
That's actually the most money moving is the commercials today.
That part. All right, so I mean, obviously, I see these red candles right here. Price one coming down to 31161, but we looking at where price gonna open up at. Let me to get some good TPs, like worth anything. I'll set my first sell TP for here for US 30. Just because I see the price coming down and hitting these candles a lot. We get lucky, maybe price might just open up here. Like price could actually just gap down or gap up, but it probably will gap down because it's so high, or just open up around the same price. So when I'm setting my TPs, I like to make sure my TPs is gonna hit. I see them candles right here where it's been hitting them, so I put my TP right above those candles since I'm selling. So if it go from 31171 to 3100, pretty much, then that's a cool little sell. But again, like I said, I like to push my TPs up a little bit. So I might push my TP to here, to 11. Yeah, because I want my TPs to hit. I don't want to be in something. I'll miss out on 100 pips to get myself to hit. You feel me? I don't want to put my order in, and I wake up and it's red as hell, and I go look at the chart and I see it almost hit my TP, but I was being too greedy and it didn't hit it. So yeah, you can sell it there. And then yeah, like I said, it's coming right below these candles. Then if it comes down again, it probably need to come. It went on that. They all went on the same bull run at the same time. SPX, Nas, US30. You all see them. They got this big bull candle they got, or a series of bull candles that just pushed the market up dramatically on February 4th. What day was February 4th? What was that? Yeah, that was a Thursday. The market just went bananas and pushed up. So with that make me feel like, hey, price need to come back. And how was no candles in that area? It's like, it's no candles in this area. Like, none. Why ain't some candles ever been printed in that area? Well, guess what? I think some candles need to start printing in that area sooner than later. Because if I look at my Forex chart, it's not no places really where candles just don't never get printed up. If you look at it in a long span of time, like, they always got some candles getting printed up. You know what I'm saying? So price gonna have to come down eventually and smack these areas, I would think, because there's no candles in there. None. It's not, it's just cleaned out. So let's bring it down. Oh man, I got a lot of stuff going on popping up right here. Yeah, so it looks like price really should come down here to around 307.60, around there, 307.80 if you really ask me. That's where price really should come down. But since there's no candles printed in there, and I want to see some candles get printed, because eventually price got to make some kind of movements in here. If we especially looking at the 30-minute. It's gonna start yo-yoing in this area sooner than later, or it's gonna just sail right past and blow past this area, which would be good if it hit my TP. I'm gonna set my TP there for 308.65, because I think I should see some candles printed in that area this week or sometime soon. When I look at a chart, it's big ass, like, kind of, they're not gaps, but it's big ass spaces where it is blew past those areas on Thursday or whatever days. It is price accelerated so fast. It didn't consolidate in those areas. It didn't do nothing but get out of zones. Like, it just hit all-time highs through zones. Like, that's real unusual. You know what I'm saying? That was a lot of bull pressure. You know what I'm saying? And, we got to look at the market. We got a new president, new cabinet, new people talking on the news, new way they doing business. So we got to pay attention to all that to kind of get a sense of the market. Then, just try to trade with the trend. Really, all we trying to do is get in the trend of it when it's buying or when it's selling, and get out before the trend stops. You know what I'm saying? And don't be greedy about entering our TP. And we want to be smart about finding our entry point. But like I say, this week is tricky because it's a Super Bowl, so I can't say sell right now. I don't know what price to sell at. You got to just kind of anticipate it. Like, I think I'm going to sell at this price. Or if prices start milking all-time high, if you see price hit another all-time high today, like, damn, you might want to sell, but you got to be prepared to take profit fast, because news could come out tomorrow. More than likely, news is going to be positive on a Monday. I'm telling you why news is going to be positive on a Monday. The Super Bowl just happened. They got all these new vaccines. They tell them, you should mix this vaccine with this vaccine, or that vaccine with that vaccine possibly. There's a lot of news that's positive about the vaccines getting out. So that should make NSCs rise even more, even though the price is so high and it's just blowing past these zones. Price, we really don't know what's going to happen. Nobody can predict the future. Price could just get out of there and never come back. Like, yeah, we never came back. But you know what I'm saying? When we was dealing with Trump, it was a lot of negative news that would come out, you know what I'm saying, periodically, that would smack price back down. maybe we're not dealing with that type of presidency anymore. You know what I'm saying? I don't really know. We have to just see. So, yeah, just like price should hit 308.65 eventually. Then now I like down here when I see candles forming, you know, in the 306 area, 307 area, I see a lot of candles forming there, and that's something I like to see. You know, you want to see candles forming. You know what I'm saying? So you could go for 307.65 is your next TP. And you know what I'm saying? This shit seems tedious marking these charts, man, but this shit really helps and your markup be playing itself out, you know what I'm saying, throughout the course of the week, if you was right or if you was wrong, and it really help you just take advantage of the market throughout the week by when you come on Sunday or Saturday, whatever, and you look at the market before it really open up, and you can set up your moves, and you can always go back to your trading view account, or you know what I'm saying, you can always come back to this video, whatever, or just when you got that mental note in your head like, yo, price should be coming down. Price should be going up. Here's why. You know what I'm saying? I know when I first started trading, I was just in aloof. Like, I didn't know what the fuck was going on, why to buy, when to sell. I'm just copying a signal. So, you feel me? And then a lot of times, a SL will wick my SL. And I see like, damn, after my SL got wicked, price went back and hit that TP. Wow. You feel me? So, sometimes in certain volatile situations, there's a lot of market volatility. So, just anyway, man, this shit is way overbought, man. This shit is way overbought. Market's just too overbought for us not to have a stimulus, in my opinion. And ultimately, I think US 30 was going to come back down again to the 306 flat level or below. Let me look at it on the hour. It's going to come down more. And when it comes down, it's going to blow a lot of accounts. And that's a strategy and technique I think that the institutions and the brokers or whatever use. They let everybody feel it's a bull market. And everybody probably is going to get on this bull market trend. And the market probably will buy up today and tomorrow. And people just going to, you know, oh, it's so bullish, so bullish. I need to make a t-shirt that say that shit. You feel me? They just believe the market is bullish and it's never going to stop buying. And everybody just keep clicking buy, 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 buy. And then one day some negative news happens or whatever, and then that shit got to reject. And all of them just blow their accounts or get their stop loss hit, whatever. You know what I'm saying? And that's just the pattern of the market. Like even here on February 2nd, we saw the market just do a big acceleration and just push up major. Push from 304 to 308. Like it's just a major push. So price need to come back down here to around 306.25 because I see some candles over there. Yeah, 306.25. If it wicks those candles, that's a good sell. Then again, price needs to come back around here to 304.65 or lower. It really could come lower, but if it starts selling that much, y'all can figure the rest out for yourself. You know, I'll just do one big TP, but these is in here where price needs to come back down on US 30. It's too strong. Can I tell you where it's gonna buy to? I really can't. It's pick a number. It's gonna buy up because of all these Super Bowl ads and all that. It's gonna buy up, but I'll say 305.25 is my next TP. And why it's cool for me to come on here and do this with y'all is because shit, I need to do this shit anyway to get me a bag. So just being on here with y'all, we can chop it up, make it even easier. Because shit, I need to get some money. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Damn. Then if you look at it more, you can see that shit selling more, man. You can see US 30 coming back down to 3,000 damn near. But you could say 302 flat. It should come down here to 303, whatever. I'll just say 303. That's good enough. I like how these candlesticks is printing around that area. But look how much far it got to drop. It could drop down back down to the 300 flat area. I'm just gonna put some little windows there. So we looking at price to drop to 304.00. TP 304.00. And then ultimately, I think price is gonna drop here to around 301. And it could go below that, but like I say, I like to play it safe. When it drops, it's gonna not drop. It's not gonna drop as low as it did the first time because price is higher. So when it drops, the number gonna be, you know, a higher price than what the low was last time. If you feel what I'm saying, because it's higher in price. So when it drops, it could do a big drop, but the market's still going up. So the drops is going. It's gonna keep dropping forever a little bit. Eventually, it's only gonna start dropping to the smallest level I marked up here. Like, but it need to retest because price is so overbought. And then when it retests, if it does retest, and then they got some good news, I think that'll give a lot of buyers confidence in the market that they can invest their money. They got a good price because they're gonna say, well, shit. If it does retest this low or to these levels, buyers gonna say, well, I seen US 30 go to 31.171 at the all-time high or whatever. So I feel comfortable putting my money in long term at 301.00 because I think the market gonna go to 35 or something. So I can put my money in there and let it ride. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, you gotta really think about it. Like, yeah, you a Forex trader, you an investor or whatever, but you gotta really think about it. How would people really invest their money if they got a lot of it? Would they buy when the price is super high and risk all their money? They might, but I don't know. I don't think they would do some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? So really, I got price. Price could keep going up though. To be honest with you, I could see price going up some more, but I'll sell at market price or I just sell here. Oops, trying to get my little arrow in here. Get my little arrow in here. Where's my arrow? Bam, got my arrow. 314.00. It looked like it could just come down from there, but I'm gonna put a white line right there too. Bear power to bring high price down. So this is an area of interest, I say, right here, like that 3193 area. It looked like US 30 might try to push up to that area, but that's another area, like, you know, key area of interest. 3200. Oops, what the fuck did I do? Here we go. 32000 0. Oops. Ooh, typing in too big of a price. That's what I'm doing. 31200. There it is. So the key area interest right here, you know, it looked like no, that's not right. 3200. The fuck? Three one 400. There we go. So yeah, it looked like price might want to go higher on US 30 to 31400 around there. But if it hit that price, I'm definitely selling. But I would sell now though. I'm selling now pretty much. Like, you know, no, I'll take that back. I'm not selling now. I will wait till after Monday, unless I wanted to sell now. But price could just possibly go higher. Like, it's all about where the market opens up. But I want to sell now, but just me waiting will be smarter because I just feel like, yeah, price is gonna probably go higher unless price opens up real low. Like, prices comes down and rejects because the price is overbought. Like, the Asian market might open up and it might say, shit, hey, these prices is high as fuck. I'm not buying this, and the market could just gap back down to thousands of pips, which will be cool, but may not happen. Price could open up around the same price. The first hour of this session this week is going to be very interesting off of price being at an all-time high and we have Super Bowl. Are they going to keep buying up the all-time high price? That can happen because it's Super Bowl. Everybody in the world know about it. So it's really a toss-up. And when stuff is a toss-up, when you come to situations like that, I would say that probably the smartest thing to do is just watch it. Don't enter. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't want to take trades that you maybe can't win. Let's look at silver real quick. We did all the American indexes. Let's look at silver. All right, so last week, marked up silver, it hit every TP. Instantly, like out the gate, it hit all the TPs. We said buy at 26.991. It hit all the TPs like in 5 seconds or something. When the market opened up, it was a bull run on silver off of Reddit. Like, the Reddit people was calling silver up. So, shit, to be honest with you, silver want to go back and hit them same TPs again. People buying precious metals right now, so the markup for silver again is still valid. You know, if it do ever drop to this price I marked up, and that's what I'm talking about, marking up on your screen, like, damn, look like it's going to do that same shit again. If it sells, you can see where it's going to sell to. It's going to sell down below to where my entry price was. So I wouldn't buy silver now. I would buy silver at this white line around 26.991 if I was going to buy. But you got to see where price opens up. But you could buy now. But if you buy now, you risk the price to reject it more. But these stock market people on Reddit is holding silver up right now. So let's look at gold. Now we saw gold get real cheap this week. We saw gold get cheap. We saw gold in January 21st. Gold was at 1871. We saw gold just dip dive on us. Let's go to the daily. On a daily, gold's been at 1950 before. Kind of recently. Now we see gold here at 1814. And they say when the US dollar gets stronger, gold gets weaker. The price of gold drops. But I feel like gold about to buy back up again. It's probably going to sell down some more. Yeah, but ultimately, you know, I don't fuck with gold like that, and I don't recommend y'all fuck with gold too much. Unless you got a lot of money, you keep your lot size low. Because gold be bouncing from zones, and sometimes when they go to a zone, you can be holding forever. It may not go back to that zone. But yeah, it look like gold just want to buy up some, man. Gold want to buy. Of course, gold could sell back down to 1790 or lower. So I'm going to say a key area for gold is here around 1790. When gold break the price to 1800, people going to be feeling like price is cheap. People going to be feeling like is it going to get cheaper? So if gold hits 1790, that's when you really want to start looking at gold. And it's probably going to sell to 1790. I think it might even go below 1790, to be honest with you. Why? I can't explain why price is doing that. It kind of don't make sense, but I see it doing that a lot all the time. Why is gold selling right now? Why is it selling if the U.S. dollar is weak? That don't make sense. You feel what I'm saying? Because it's XAUUSD, but shit, it's selling. You know what I'm saying? And silver price rose though. Silver price went stupid. So what's today though? Let's get in closer and look at gold. February. Now, we did see gold rise in price a lot though. On the 4th, yeah, we saw gold shoot up a whole lot. February 4th, gold got out of there. What day was February 4th? Yeah, February 4th to 5th. The stock market and gold, all of that shit, you know what I'm saying, just went out of there. Boom, price went up. Major. So, we got gold sitting at 1814. From here, it looks like gold want to sell back down probably, but I don't see no candles indicating that. Yeah, it don't got no candles saying it's selling though. So the candles is super bullish. Well, gold is buying. Gold is buying long term. It's trying to make its way back to 1950. It's trying to make its way back to 2000. It's a precious commodity. It's only going to go up. First, I would look for some rejection if I wanted to get in gold, and I'll try to get in gold around 1800 or something. Or yeah, I'll try to get in gold there. Right now, I don't want to just buy if its price is super high. If price go to 1800, I know the lowest here really be dropping is a little bit below 1790. So if gold come back down to 1800, I might well get in there. And that's like a psychological price, 1800. Possible buy entry price 1800. And you know, the Forex game is kind of like the pimp game. You feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? You get the game from somebody else. Like, that's how I got the game. That's how y'all got the game. You get the game from somebody else, and then you just gonna learn your own stuff with it. You feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? It's like the street game. Like, it's almost impossible to pick it up by yourself, but you start being around other people that do this shit, you pick it up. Like, if you run in the streets, you start running the streets with folks that do street shit, so you pick up the street game. So that's kind of how the Forex game is. So, you know, 1800, 1800, yeah. Price look like he wanted. I would probably buy at 1800, and then I will take gold up anywhere. You know, so I'm just gonna draw a little arrow to make it short and sweet. Once you're at 1800, I'm taking price back here. Once I'm at 1800, I'm taking price back here. 1822. Ultimately, I'm trying to take price way up there. Because gold gonna keep going up, right? It's trying to go back to 2000. I'm taking price up on gold. If gold hits 1790, I'm buying. I would think the price of gold gotta go up. Now, ultimately, I'm taking gold all the way above 1900 and just hold it. You gotta think about it. If price dropped to 1790, then shit. How much lower? How much cheaper gold gonna get? You could just buy now. You know what I'm saying? At 1800, but how much cheaper gold gonna get before it go to the upside? Now, before I get out of here, let's look at some cryptos. Gotta look at Dogecoin and Bitcoin real quick. Too important. All right, Bitcoin at 38,500. It testing 41. Bitcoin is kind of like Nas or something now. SPX, kind of like an index. So the more popular it's getting, the less chance you got a price dropping. So a lot of other time we seen price sitting around like 32,000, consolidating in 32,000, 33,000 in Bitcoin. We seen the key area here, consolidation area. And now it's just kind of letting you know like, hey, yo, Bitcoin worth about 32, 33,000. So you could say 33,400 or something. Key consolidation area. 33,400. So basically what I'm saying, a Bitcoin is worth about $33,400. You feel me? Relatively. Even though price is at 40,000, price be sitting around 33,400 a lot. And it goes up, it goes down. That's a good price. But now Elon Musk, all kind of people are knowing about Bitcoin more now. The adoption's out, PayPal, all this stuff. More people getting more Bitcoin every day. So price is only going to shoot up. So I would say anytime you can get a price around 33,000 and price go back down to there, of course price could fall more. But if you could get a buy, if it ever fall back to 33,400, take it long to 40 or 50 again. Look for price to come back down again on Bitcoin. It's because it likes to do that sometime. Price probably gonna try to hit a new all-time high this week or some shit. 42,000, 50,000. But if price ever reject down to 33,400, you need to try to take that to the upside. Price come that low. Price come that low again, take it to the upside. Take it to the upside. You feel me? If price come back down that low, take it to the upside. Take it beyond, take it to 40,000 again. Or try to take it to 50,000. Eventually it's gonna have to start going up towards 50,000. It's gonna go on bigger bull runs. You feel me? This type of stuff we looking at is hard to chart because it never been around these prices before. Prices is going up majorly, but shit, Bitcoin is bullish, man. Right now, at a price at 40,000, I ain't trying to buy 40,000. I'm tapping out at 40,000. I'm holding the buy. I'm already in, and I'm waiting to see if it's going to hit 41, 42, 45, 40, 50, 50. But as a new buyer, experienced buyer, I'm not coming into Bitcoin at 40,000. Nah, I'm waiting for it to drop. It looked like it could drop back down to these areas, like 37,000, before I would even buy again. See how these candles is wicking that area? 36, 7. Yeah, 37. 37 is another key area. So that's the area I feel like, hey, you could sell Bitcoin at 37,000. I mean, it said 38.4, but 37,000 is another like key area for Bitcoin. Why? It's always hitting 37,000 or something. It's always going around it. Key area 37,100. Yeah. So if price hit the 37,100, I might even sell Bitcoin at that point. Selling Bitcoin is kind of risky though. So I will put my stop loss in profit if I chose to sell. Or you can sell now at the high, really, if you wanted to. Just because price gonna come down a little bit eventually. But Bitcoin is scary, right? It's scary when you selling Nas indexes, US30 or Bitcoin, because a pump could happen anytime and take it to a new all-time high when it's flirting. But if you want to be risky and try to sell Bitcoin, if you want to try to sell it, I'm gonna sell it from inside this area. right there. I'm gonna sell it from where price is at right now or a high. But you know, if I see Bitcoin around 37,001, I know it can go back up to 40. But the odds of it going back to 40 when it's at 37,001 is low. It's probably when it come back down to 33,004, so that consolidation area. It might when it come back down there. Or it might create a new consolidation area that's a little bit above 33,004 because this naturally price is rising. It might want to come to 35,000 around here. You feel me? Y'all can see that. Let me see. Throw a little line on there for you so you can recognize. Like, all right, price be coming in that motherfucker too. In that yellow line, like that could be possible new consolidation area. Around 35,000. So that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. Too high to buy right now, but if you could catch a price at 33,400, buy it. If you could get in there. I'm not offering financial advice. I'm talking about buying on your demo account. FYI. Let's go to Dogecoin. Got to. Woo! Dogecoin. Let me look at to the moon, baby. People don't understand Dogecoin right now. Like smart nerds and shit, crypto nerds. That shit on Robinhood right now. That shit okay. I'm just checking to see my Robinhood to see if it's matching up with the MT4. So it's matching up. Looks like perfectly. So
I made like $400 on Dogecoin in the past couple of days.
You took profit already?
Hell yeah.
Or on your Robinhood, or where you doing it?
I did it on Robinhood. So yo, let me tell you, I invested like about $150, and yo, as that shit is rocking and rolling. Like I've been taking profit when it's high. So at one time I looked at I nabbed like 250 off of my 150.
Mm-hmm.
And then this morning alone, I grabbed like another $100.
Mm-hmm. Now your Robinhood account getting fat fast, huh?
Yeah, bro. And I still got my 150 still vested in. So I'm gonna just wait for that to accumulate some more, just keep snatching the profits. That 150 is my baseline. I could dig it. Man, when it first started bumping up, man, I went in and I bought $14 worth, man. It got up to like 222. I snatched that shit. Yeah. Oh, shit.
Let me ask something, because I put in about $23 when it was my average cost is 0.009, so less than a cent. I went from 23 right now. Is the equity is a total of 180.
That's crazy. You took 20 to 180?
Yeah, 20 to 180. So I'm wondering if right now, since it's like kind of going up, whether I should keep holding that or like try to take a little bit of profit, invest more into it. What do you think?
All right, so I'm gonna tell you right now, in my opinion, I want you to offer your opinions. In my opinion, this will be the ideal time to take profit around 7 cent or 8 cent where it's at right now. And then wait for it to drop to 4 cent or 3 cent and get back in.
Yep, that's the route I'm taking.
Because to be honest, initially my whole investment in Robinhood was less than $100 or around $100, so that already came back like completely. Just do that. And then I put money into Ethereum, bro, because I know that shit's going up. I put like 20 in that, and that's already up like almost a ton. Y'all really think that shit gonna hit 2K?
Oh, Ethereum, I'm more confident in Ethereum than I am Dogecoin.
Even though Dogecoin is getting some utility right now.
Break it down for us. What's the science?
I was reading an article. I forgot what company it was, but they're actually taking Dogecoin to buy their products.
Oh, that's good. And I heard Pornhub accepted it too.
Okay.
They accepted
But
X.
the dudes don't want their wives to see they buying all that porn.
Yep, XRP and Dogecoin. They accepted those.
Yep.
Yeah.
Vergecoin was the one that was partnering up with Pornhub at first, but when they was doing it, it kind of blew they whole market up because people didn't want to mess with them because that was their first partner up with on porn. So it kind of looked bad for them. So that coin kind of like vanished back. They pulled one day back. I don't even know if Vergecoin is still on the market.
It probably is. Just probably low. Yeah, guys. So I would look to buy around 3 to 4 cents. I don't see price dropping too much below 3 cents. You know what I'm saying? So I would look to buy around there. Yo, Isaac, what's going on, man?
Man, what's up with you, Music King? How you living, King?
Bless. We was just talking about Dogecoin, and right now it's on the MT4. It's at the all-time high. I seen Robinhood go to 8 cents. Dogecoin go to 8 cents on Robinhood before, but this will be the time I will take profit if I want to take profit, and I will look to buy again around 3 to 4 cents.
Yep, I'm in agreement with you. About that. Oh, my bad. Let me not. Nah, you go ahead. Because I was trying to ask you, since you said take profit now, I put in 20, and now it's just profit wise, just 160 that it made. How much do you say I should take out?
Okay, I'm not offering financial advice, but if it was me, I'll leave everything in there. I'll leave $30 in there or something and take everything out.
Okay.
And that way you either way you didn't beat the system at that point. You feel me?
No, of course. I just want to see your opinion on it. I appreciate that.
But like they saying Robinhood gonna go to 10 cents or eventually go to $1. But I'm like, it's far from $1. Price could shoot up and go to 10 cents, but I'm just thinking like maybe price never goes back down to 3 cents again. Maybe it never goes back down to 4 cents again. It's possible, right? And so if you get out now, you could just be fucking yourself out of a position you'll never be able to get again. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And you got to think about it like you don't have to take profit right now because you invested so little.
Yes, exactly.
Like you invested the amount of money us as Americans we throw away every day. So that's my thing with Dogecoin. Like I invested less than $200. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, damn, I'm feeling just like y'all. I want to take profit right now just so I can have the fun game of hedging. So I can try to hedge my Robinhood account up. But like, I say like 160, but I'm just saying I'm estimating to $200 and I got like about 18,000 Dogecoin. So if Dogecoin go to $1, I should have about like 18 racks, right? So I'm like, man, if I take profit now, I take 500 or 1,000 off the market. That's only $500, and I can try to hedge it back up. But shit, 18 racks is a way bigger payoff. I might just try to wait for the payoff. But what I'm about to do is, I told myself I wasn't really going to invest more money in Dogecoin, but all the money I got in there right now, I just thought about it like, man, 18 racks is a big payoff if it do go to $1 or if we even get close to there since I got 18,000 Dogecoin on Robinhood. Even though I physically don't own the coins, like own a real crypto wallet, I got them on Robinhood. I'm like, well, shit, I'm just trying to flip cash anyway. Robinhood going to honor it. So I'm like, well, what I'm going to do is, since I see the movement on Dogecoin, if Dogecoin drops to 4 cents or 3 cents, I'm going to actually just invest more. I'm going to leave my initial investment in Dogecoin right now. I don't want to take it out because the reward is so potentially high and my investment was a pair of shoes. You know what I'm saying? So for me, when Dogecoin goes to 4 cents, I might buy, I don't know, I'm just talking a small amount of money, $50, $100 worth, $20 worth, however I'm feeling. And then if it goes to 3 cents, that's when I'm gonna buy more. And I'm just not even really adding more money. I just liquidated stocks in my Robinhood portfolio that I don't care nothing about or that I already made a little bit of money on. Like I liquidated my Gap portfolio a little bit a while ago. So I'm using some of that type of money to hedge back into something I believe that got a high profit potential like Dogecoin. And I just believe Dogecoin is going up so high. I talked to some homies from the hood that don't trade or don't do none of that type of stuff. And they were saying, yeah, man, I seen the Dogecoin stuff on your Instagram. I've been hearing about it. I bought 2,000 worth. I'm like, damn. I was like, where you buy this? Like, I bought it on Robinhood. He's like, you think I should buy more? I was like, I don't know. I ain't offering financial advice, but that seemed like a good amount for you, brother. You know what I'm saying? So somebody from the hood calling me, letting me know that they buying Dogecoin. They're not even an investor. That caught my ear right there. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what's going on. So
yeah. Hey, look, hey, Music King, a lot of people, professional people, is angry that Dogecoin is moving the way that it's moving. Because if you look at every other crypto, it's red right now. Every other crypto went down, but guess what? Dogecoin is the only one that's up. It's truck, you know what I'm saying? And people like, man, Dogecoin started as a joke. Like, man, I would put it was supposed to be a joke. It was supposed to be a game, huh? Yeah. But this is what I'm telling people. Like, I told the dude, I was like, bruh, man, people felt like Bitcoin was a joke. But guess what? It hit 41,000, then. Like, everybody thought it was a joke. But look, it's at $41,000. No one ever thought it would have hit. That's what I was telling people. Exactly that, bro. That same exact comparison. So, like, me personally, man, like, I'm on with Music King. This is what I've been doing. I got in, like, a little, like, under 1 cent. Like, it was, like, 0.008 or something like that. But one of the, a queen had been told me about it when it was, like, at 0.002 or something like that. I should have got in then, but I was playing around with other things at the time. But so what I'm going to do is, like, I'm gonna leave. It allows me to take out like 90%. I'm gonna leave 10% in at the entry point. So, and then like Music King said, so like I got a sale limit like at like 10 cents to take me out like 90% of it out, and I'm gonna leave because that's a good entry point under 1 cent. I don't ever think that Dogecoin will ever go back down.
Nah,
to
never.
Never. So I'm like, I'm gonna always have a good entry point because, like, if it dropped back down to 3 cents or 4 cents, I'm buying back in. Then when it goes back up to 10 cents, I'm TPing. You know what I'm saying? So until it shows me it breaks past 10 cents or whatnot, but until now, I'm taking profit at 8, 9 cents. You know, whatnot. But if it goes to 10 cents, I'm taking profit there. Bro, like around 3 years ago, my fucking friend was like, bro, you should go buy Bitcoin, dude. This shit was at like 5K, bro. Now it's at 40K. Yeah. I don't know. I'm still fucking pissed about that, dude. I should have bought that shit.
My man Clark. What's going on, Clark? See if Clark got something to say. Clark, what's going on?
What it do? Beautiful day.
Y'all know how I rock. We all moderators in this motherfucker.
Hey, Music King. Hey, I'm about to hop on another Zoom right quick. But, hey, I'm going to hop right back on. But I just want to show you some love. Because I seen you on right quick. So I just want to show you some love, man. And some tribute. But I'm going to hop right back on after I get out this Zoom call right quick.
All right. I might be getting on soon anyway to go watch the Super Bowl, but you know how we talk all the time anyway, so I'll holler at y'all. But
yes,
all right, Isaac, what's going on, though, Clark?
Ain't nothing much, man. I'm thinking, how long you guys been on
here? I think I've been on here like about an hour.
Oh, okay. Ain't nothing much, man. Just wait until these markets open up.
Yep. What you think about them?
Man, anything could happen, man. It's too much ifs, buts, and maybes, man. I don't know what's gonna
happen. Word. I mean, like it's time to wait and watch, then, huh?
Yeah.
I heard
what you were saying about Super Bowl and all that, but let's see. I don't know how they gonna operate, man. Tickets and everything. I don't know how it's going. I don't know.
Right. I heard the people that's inside the Super Bowl is all like nurses and doctors that's been vaccinated or some shit. like 6,000 of them or something. I heard allegedly. I could be wrong. You feel me?
Okay.
But
Yeah, man. You ate off that Dogecoin though?
I mean, I ain't took profit yet, but I see it going up. You feel me? I'm just like, shh. We was just talking about that right before you came in. Well, all right. So the TPs I got is 7 cent, 8 cent, 10 cent, 49 cent, 90 cent, and $1. So let me tell y'all what I heard about Dogecoin. So the floor for Dogecoin is 5 cents. It has a floor. So that means anytime Dodge is below 5 cents, the Dodge Army, the Dodge supporters, supposed to come in and try to buy it up above 5 cents. You feel me? So the floor for Dodge is 5 cents. And not the ceiling, but this where they want Dogecoin to go was supposed to be $1. And then they say at $1, we all supposed to. That's when you take profit on Dogecoin, take 10% profit when it reaches $1, and they expect it to dip back down and then just buy it back up from there. You feel what I'm saying? Like they say if it Dogecoin reach $1, take 10% off your profit. Dogecoin, we don't know where it might sell to after that. It might sell at 90 cent, 50 cent. Then we start buying it back up again. It'll be a new floor. But for right now, the floor, from what I heard, is 5 cents. So anytime.
What you trading? What you got that's trading on Dogecoin?
You gotta do it on Robinhood or Exodus wallet. Like yo, MT4. I don't know no brokers that trade Dogecoin.
Me either. I was looking at that.
They're not gonna carry it because they're gonna lose too much money. So,
it's good music.
Yo, what's up with it?
Quick question. So, basically, when you look for usually when you look for your trades, so you say you be working on support and resistance lines, and then you be also reading candlesticks. Just those two, mainly.
Yep.
For sure.
Yeah, just like basically what I'm doing up in this motherfucker. Like, y'all don't see me using no indicators or nothing. I'm just using this shit. Just looking at the lines, really.
Yeah, but that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get good at this naked, not too much shit on my toes.
Hey, I want to learn them indicators. But I'm gonna keep it honest with y'all. No cap. I don't even know how to use those indicators. I don't know how to use them, y'all.
It's crazy you say that, because I've been like practicing a lot without using indicators. But once you do your markups and stuff like that, and then put the indicators in, you could tell whether you're on the right track or not.
Exactly. That's why I want to learn to use the indicators. I feel like the indicator is gonna make your trading better if you know how to use them. It's just that you shouldn't rely on the indicator. So if you can mark up your chart naked and everything, you already got your prognosis. I don't know how to use the indicator, so I don't know. But for y'all to know how to use them, you could probably be an even better trader by applying your indicator to see if it lined up with what your markup was.
I was just on baby pips, and I just happened to be on the Fibonacci indicator, and it was basically saying just because of the self-fulfillment of the indicator, like certain points, everybody's looking at the same level, that it's just going to self-fulfill of these indicators sometimes.
Well, I always hear this. People say this shit called fibs don't lie. They always be saying that. So, you know what I'm saying? Might be it. So somebody said Binance is the place. Like, yeah, Binance is where you could definitely get some Dogecoin in the chat. And then somebody said Chance the Killer said, so in the baby pips, is it even worth reading through the indicator section? Shit, I would say read everything on baby pips. Wouldn't y'all agree?
Yeah.
Shit, baby pips is that free sauce. Why would you pay somebody to pay you to do a course and pay thousands of dollars when baby pips is given away for free?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, like anybody can have access to it, right?
Yep.
So yeah, because my brother's thinking about also getting into this. He might join Money Game, and I was telling him in the meantime, you could probably start looking into baby pips. I told him.
Yep. Anybody could start looking into baby pips and all that type of shit and just get a general understanding of what the hell they getting themselves into. You feel me? I wish I would have found baby pips before I started trading. I probably would have been on it, but I didn't even know about it till after I started trading.
You should stress it more when you invite people type shit. Baby tips before at least real account, you know, at least demo, like make sure that shit's stressed fucking all the way, bro.
Man, we gonna try, but they don't be listening all the time. We gonna tell them that though. Get on the baby pips. That's true though. It's like, say if you running your demo account, you doing baby pips, you gonna learn the game fast. And you know what I'm saying? You gonna catch on fast.
Bruh, I sometimes kind of hate reading shit, but baby pips, I'm having fun reading that shit. I'll be fucking entertained going through the lessons.
That's because we want to read some shit that's gonna make us some money. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to read nothing that can't make me better fast. You feel me? Like, you know, most of us, we don't read for entertainment. You know what I'm saying? Not a knock on people who do. You know, reading's a good activity, but you know, I think y'all, we just only trying to read so we can come up on some information that can help us prosper. But yeah, Chance the Killer said he read the Candlestick Bible but haven't done baby pips. Candlestick Bible was cool. I think that's like, I watched a video on the Candlestick Bible myself. And produce Pride by Maid said can't use Binance in Texas. So yeah, that's what I heard about certain crypto exchanges. Like, they don't work in New York, they don't work over here. But shit, I might have to do another video about that after I figure it all out about which ones to use. But shit, the number one I definitely recommend is everybody should have a Coinbase. Shit, that one's easy, but you can't get Dogecoin on there. But you know, shit, I heard Binance US is cool. I heard Kraken is cool. I heard KuCoin is cool. You feel me? I'll let you know for sure when I really get signed up with them and I start using them. But this is just saying what I heard. So I ain't gonna say, yeah, it's for sure it works, since I ain't never tried it all the way like that before. I just did basics of signing up and everything. So I'm gonna go through it and knock my head on it a couple times, and I'll let y'all know the for sure answer in a couple weeks, a couple days when you know what I'm saying, I'll do the whole thing. You feel what I'm saying? When I see that the money get in, was you able to take the money out, or you feel what I'm saying?
No doubt. But check this out. How long you gonna be in? I'm finna go check out that Zoom.
Yeah, I'm about to hop up out of here, man. I did my markups. We did everything. So I'm out, y'all. I'll holler at y'all next week.
All right, gang. Yo, gang. Money gang.
All right, we out.
Money gang.
All right, yeah, you already know, man. Music King signing out, man. Y'all got the markups. Go rewind it, man, and shit, get that money though. Go stream my motherfucking music though too. Like the video, comment, subscribe. You know I gotta be a YouTube nigga now, and I gotta say that shit. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? All that type of shit. Go do that shit too.